Who knew the key to radiant beauty could be right in your pantry? Let's dive into the top 7 apple cider vinegar beauty secrets to reveal your most radiant self. Beyond the kitchen cabinet, hello, lovely souls. Today, we're venturing beyond our kitchen cabinets to discover the transformative beauty benefits of a common ingredient, apple cider vinegar, also known as a CV. This isn't just a salad dressing ingredient, it's the next big thing in beauty, the ancient beauty elixir. Apple cider vinegar is not a new phenomenon. Various cultures have used it as a beauty ingredient for centuries. Cleopatra, who was famous for her beauty, was known to use it. When we discuss a CV's beauty secrets, we are tapping into ancient wisdom. 1. Skin Savior. Brightener and toner ACV can be extremely beneficial to your skin. Its natural acidity can balance the pH of the skin, making it an excellent toner. Apply a small amount of diluted ACV to your face and watch as it reduces redness and gives you the desired glow. 2. Hair's best friend. Luster and volume dull hair days are no longer an option. After shampooing, rinse your hair with a mixture of a CV and water to see the results. Shinier, fuller hair is only an ACV rinse away. 3. Combat acne. Purifier for the pores are blemishes and acne causing you to lose confidence? The antibacterial properties of a CV can aid in the cleansing of pores and the reduction of acne. A small dab on affected areas can start you on your way to clear skin. 4. Tooth whitener. Show your smile if yellowing teeth are preventing you from showing off your beautiful smile. ACV may be able to help. A quick gargle can help whiten your teeth naturally. Simply rinse your mouth with water afterwards to protect your enamel. 5. Soothing sunburn. Coolant from nature when the sun isn't being kind to you. ACV can be your savior. Sunburned skin can be soothed and reduced in redness by applying a diluted solution. Always remember to moisturize afterward. 6. Foot revival. Odor. Say goodbye tired, stinky feet from a long day. An ACV foot soak can both refresh and deodorize your feet. It's also an excellent treatment for athlete's foot. Allow your feet to be pampered as they deserve. 7. Wart remover. Natural and efficient warts can be difficult to remove. They can, however, be softened and removed over time with consistent CV application. A CV on a cotton ball, secured overnight, can work wonders. A word of dilution. ACV is potent, and its power should not be underestimated. When applying it directly to the skin, always dilute it with water. Because everyone's skin is different, always perform a patch test first. Beauty's golden elixir. So there you have it, 7 fantastic apple cider vinegar beauty secrets. ACV demonstrates that beauty does not always have to be expensive, from radiant skin to voluminous hair. I appreciate you joining me on this enlightening journey of beauty. If you're excited to incorporate a CV into your beauty routine, please click the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty revelations. Here's to embracing nature's best so that we can be our best selves.